Hey there YouTube, and welcome to Big Mike Beard Wisdom. So today we're going to be talking about Amazon again, and basically what happened was, if you guys remember from one of the previous videos, so this video here, I talked about how I received a rejection letter from Amazon for the Amazon Associates application. And in this video here, I had talked about the commissions that were paid. So a brief timeline would be that on January 18th, I created the Amazon, or applied for the Amazon Associates. On February 9th was the first time that we had an item ship out, so it actually gave me credit for commission. February 13th was basically when we made this video here about the commissions, and at the time it was up to $26.58 in commission. Then February 24th was the morning that I received the email about getting the rejection, and now on March 2nd I got a response to that. And then today, being March 14th, it'll be about a whole month since the commissions started rolling in. And so it'll be interesting to see as far as pay wise, because they still haven't paid anything yet, but they did say it should be about 60 days in the contract that you wind up signing with them. So it'll be interesting to see if it's 60 days from when you earned the commission, or 60 days from when you were either rejected or approved. But let's get into some of the other emails. So this was basically the comment that I had sent them, asking them about more information. And it's just, hello, I just received the message that my application was rejected and that the account was closed because my YouTube and Facebook must be established with a substantive number of followers and subscribers. What is your current definition of substantive? Do you add the Facebook and YouTube followers together, or do you take the highest and lowest from either account? Thanks for your time. So they said, hello. Thank you for your interest in the Amazon Associates program. I have reviewed your account and recent application. It appears the only reason why your previous application was rejected was due to low number of subscribers you currently have on your YouTube channel / Facebook / Instagram / Twitter page or group. So they don't actually answer whether or not they add everything together, but it does kind of make me wonder if maybe you should just submit the highest number of subscribers for one of those social media outlets. That way you're giving them the here's the most. So I don't know if they actually add everything together or not. They didn't answer that question. Then continuing on, they said, we would recommend that you work to increase your subscriber base and then reapply for the program. You are always welcome to reapply at any time, and we would be happy to take another look at your YouTube channel / Facebook page. Though we don't have a set number that we look for, I would recommend that you strive to get several hundred subscribers to ensure your application is approved. Thank you for your time and efforts in the Amazon Associate Program, and we look forward to reviewing your future application. I hope this helps. We appreciate your feedback. Please use the buttons below to vote about your experience today. Best regards, Amazon. So again, they don't really answer the question about whether they add the YouTube and Facebook or Instagram or Twitter stuff together in order to make one large number. And they don't really have a definition of what substantive is. It's just one of those things where it just sounds like you need to get several hundred, but inevitably wherever I was at, you need to get more. So what was pretty cool was that I actually got one of the first comments on that video, the Amazon Associates rejection, and it was basically someone that ran into the same situation. And it's one of those things where it's pretty cool to have interaction with people, just because we're all we're all people. So like when you try talking to the computer, talking to your phone, talking to the GoPro, you're trying to conversationalize things, try and make it so you're talking to a person. And it's really cool getting feedback back from people that's not some weird bot or something that they're trying to just post in something where, jump over this link or something, or getting a thumbs down from a Russian guy that also put a link in there about something, and I'm pretty sure he just doesn't like the American flag beard. But if you guys do end up commenting, it gives you a notification about it, and then I'm able to see what the comment was, and I can reply to it. And then also, like, if you guys have any questions or something like that, you can feel free to drop it in the comments section as well. So hope you guys liked the video. Feel free to subscribe, and I'll check you guys next time. Wait for the computer fan to die down. Hey there, YouTube, and welcome to Big Mike Beard Wisdom. So today we'll be talking